is a letter from the Collision Education Foundation. You have been, congratulations, you have been selected as one of the winners of the Collision Education Repair Foundation 2018 Sears Vote Tech Tool Grant. There's your certificate. There's your copy, and there's also a form that you have to fill out and sign and give that back to me.
Wow.
That's $3,000 worth of tools.
Oh, wow. My name is Richland. I want to give a big thanks. This does help out a lot. I got accepted into a body shop coming out of this program. Very thankful for what you guys have done for me. And I will use what you guys have gave me, everything to my greatest advantage. Thank you again. My name is Richland, and I am totally satisfied. Thank you.
Says, congratulations, you have been selected as one of the winners of the Collision Education Foundation 2018 Sears Vote Tech Tool Grant. Yours is for $4,500 and also a scholarship grant. Awesome. There's your certificate, and there's your same stuff, and there's a form on there for you to fill out and give that back to me tonight. I'll get that mailed in.
Okay. Awesome. Well, I'm Brandon Dallas. And this is pretty insane, actually. I don't. Thank you very much, and I'm in a body shop also right now, and I'm gonna do everything I can as well. And thank you. Well, I'm at a loss for words, I guess. So, thanks.